Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to share with you an amazing little Happy Mail project that you can simply make with a 12 by 12 piece of paper. I know Pink Strawberry calls them one-sheet wonders. This I actually learned how to do from a class in the Crop and Create Delivered, which is like a really fun crafting event. And there's all kinds of little pockets and tuck spots, some that I've created of my own, not following the like the class specifically, but just creating little areas that I could send some things to a pen pal. Like all of these are actually just loose in here, and they're not part of the actual album, so you could go in after and you could put pictures in here. These are just gifting my pen pal some little stickers and stuff, so you can see what it looks like this without actually all of the little gifts and stuff. I'll just tuck those in like that. Here's another little place here. You could write little notes for your pen pal, and you can create all kinds of little tuck spots like I've done here. There you go there. This is actually just glued on with some removable glue. And yeah, so the project looks like that. This was Virginia Neville's class. Now, part of the Crop and Create Delivered had Vicky Bouton's print shop kit. And I decided to make another one of these little Happy Mail projects with this collection. And I'm sending it off to a pen pal today. So I've got in here some little tags, some pieces of ephemera that I've created a little pocket out of this. You can have something else you could tuck underneath here. I've made a little envelope spot there. And then this has little pockets here, as well as I've left a little note, look here, because there's stickers stuck in this as well. I turned them backwards so they didn't sort of take away from the pattern. I just can see the white back there, so they're not adding additional distraction. And that is what it looks like. So this is such a simple project that I thought I would share with you how I made this. Okay, so because this paper doesn't have any specific direction of the pattern, I don't really have to be very conscientious about which way is up and which way is down. So all you're going to do is score at the 4, the 8. Hopefully I'm remembering this correctly. It was such a simple project that I don't think you can mess it up. And you turn it, and then you divide the paper in half at 6. So that is that. You are going to mountain fold it, and we are going to create yes, a cut here and a cut here. So just gonna grab my scissors. So just gonna cut to the score line. So you go in the middle on the 6 by 12 cut all the way to the line where it was scored. And then we're going to fold it in half. So that is like that. I am going to cut off the edge. Just fold this over so I can put this in. I'm going to cut it off at 3/4. And I'm going to do the same to this side. I'm going to cut it off at 3/4. But additionally, we want to cut this down all 3 sides. So we are going to go to the 3/4, and we're going to cut it right to here. And we'll just cut that last little piece off. We're going to go that. And then I see. So let's just use this piece to line up how far to cut this one. Like so. There we go. And you will see very simply how this becomes the template for our Happy Mail. That's it. That's all you have to do. Okay, so you see here, you simply have your template on what it's going to require for your 12 by 12 piece of paper. This is what it looks like. So we've trimmed off here, and again, it doesn't even matter if you measure it exactly or not. You could do any measurements that you want, but those are the measurements from here. So we're gonna fold this down, fold this forward. You could fold this way, fold this way, and there becomes the cover. Okay, so I have the finished product here. I just went off camera to do the final decorating of it all, so you didn't have to watch me do all that little steps and stuff, but you can still see the final product, because this is the fun part. This is the part where you get to create the things that you would like. So here I have the tuck spots and everything for all the little recipes. So you can see here's a card here, here's one here, this was one there. So I've got all these pockets, and so you can just write out the recipe on there and tuck it in for your friend, family, Happy Mail recipient, what have you. So there's a recipe. So there's 3 different recipes here to send, and then these are just decoration. Here you can include a few little stickers and a little tuck spot. This, you can see I've gone and put a little added stitching on there. That one as well. Maybe this will be actually Mom's recipes and this one will be Grandma's recipe. There, if it wants to match. You could use this little tuck spot to put a photo. So I've just put a little, like, kind of like a photo mat there. You could do the same thing for this pocket here. And then, yeah, that's a cute little gift to send off to a family or friend who is celebrating a birthday. You could give them, you know, a little gift. Instead of a card, you could just send this, and again, it's all going as flat mail, because look at how flat that is. And this is even thicker than it might normally be, because you got these recipe cards folded in here, and even still, it's definitely flat mail friendly. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more, you can always follow me on Instagram as well, Polka Dot Mailbox on Instagram, and then you'll get quick little videos if you just want to see snippets of what I'm making. Sometimes I don't create whole videos for different projects, so you can find me there, or you can like and subscribe and follow along for more if you enjoyed today's content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.